how to change the margins in Google Docs. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. And if you stick till the end, I'm going to show you a bonus tip in which you will be able to change the units of the margins from inches to centimeters. So first of all, you need to open the Google Chrome browser, as you might be aware that the Google Docs can be easily accessed by clicking these apps within the Google Docs and then clicking the Docs icon. In that, you need to click this plus button and your new document will be opened. Give it a name. Coming over to the topic in which how you can change or adjust the margins in Google Docs. There are two methods. Right now, if you see that here, you can see the left margin and the right margin with the help of these arrow downs. Similarly, towards this side, you can see the top margin and then on the bottom margin. Now, the easiest method is that you just bring your cursor over here and your cursor will change into double arrow. Just press the left click. You will see the existing margin. Right now it is 1. You can just drag towards the left side to decrease the margin, or you can go towards the right side to increase the margin. So this is how you can easily change the margins in the Google Docs. Same goes for the right one and for the bottom and top one. But this method is also easy. It's not precise. It will take you a lot of time to adjust to the accurate margins. I'm going to show you a second method with the help of which you will be able to put in the exact values for your top, bottom, left and right margins. And for that, what you need to do is that if you go to all these menus, you will not see the margins tab. Now the catch is that this margin tab is hidden within a page setup. You need to click that, and within the page setup, first of all, I would highly recommend that you change your page type on which you want to take a printout. Just in case you want to change the page color, this is the option, orientation, and towards the right side here you will see the margins. Now I am going to change, for the sake of this tutorial, top and bottom as 0.5, and I am going to keep left and right as 1. And you need to just press the click and your margins will be adjusted as per the values. As you can see that this margin is 1 and this margin is 0.5. Now let me go back to the page setup again. The bonus tip, I told you that if you stick to the end, I will show you how you can convert the units of the margins from inches to the centimeters. Right now, as you can see here, that the margins are displayed in inches. Now again, within the Google Docs, I have seen all these tabs and I could not find a place where you can change the units from inches to centimeters or vice versa. Now if you want to do that, what you need to do is that instead of making any adjustment within the Google Docs, you need to go to your Google account, and for that you need to click this avatar icon, and from here you need to click the Google account. It will take you to the your account setting page, and here from the left side you will be on the home page. You need to stay on this tab and you need to click this privacy and personalization option, and then you will be taken to this data personalization options. You need to come down in this page and you need to look for the language. Here you can see that the language is United States. You need to click that and you need to change the language by clicking add another language, and let me select English, and from here I need to select English of United Kingdom, and then I need to press select, Now the UK English has been selected, but I need to bring that language on the top or make it as a default. So I'll press this arrow and I'll wait for an update. Now you see that the United Kingdom language has been updated, and just press this delete icon to delete the United States English. Now your default or only language is United Kingdom. So the catch was that once you change your language from the United States English to UK English, your units will be changed from the inches to the centimeters. So since we have done this, let me refresh the Google Docs page, and now I will go to the page setup by clicking the file and then going to the page setup, and let's see. As you can see now, the margins are converted from the inches to the centimeter. So this is how you can adjust change the margins in Google Docs and change the units from inches to centimeters or vice versa. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit like button, share and subscribe.